Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will start Block 20, Our Universe. Today we will know about our universe. Be ready with all your essentials. Sit with your siblings or your parents or any family members you have. Now, here some keywords are given. We will use these words in this topic. So you should know the meaning of these words. Like galaxy. What is a galaxy? Galaxy is a large group of stars is known as galaxy. Each galaxy is made up of thousands of stars. And celestial. Celestial means related to the sky, like the sun, moon and the stars. And what is a satellite? A satellite is a moon, planet or can be human made machines that orbits or move around a planet or star. For example, Earth moves around the sun, so Earth is the satellite of the sun, and moon moves around the Earth, so moon is a satellite. So satellite can be is a moon, planet or man-made machine that moves around a planet or star. Now, what comes to your mind when you hear the word universe? You can answer to your partner. The universe include whole world around us and outside, like stars, planets and galaxies. Galaxies, groups of stars, thousands of stars, okay? And what is a universe? Universe includes whole world around us and outside, stars, planets and galaxies. And today we will learn about the different parts of the universe. This is your topic for today, the universe. Be ready with all your essentials and write topic name with date. Now, you need to draw this graphic organizer on your notebook and read your content book, topic the universe. In this, two topics are given, galaxies and the solar system. Read this and fill this graphic organizer and arrange things, galaxy, universe and solar system. Arrange them according to their size. So what's the answer? Answer is first universe, second galaxy and third is solar system, according to their size. Now answer this question. What is the universe? What is a galaxy? How many planets are there in the solar system? You can answer to your partner. What is the universe? Universe includes whole world around us and outside. And universe made up of large groups of stars and other celestial objects. Celestial objects means related to the sky, sun, moon, stars. And there are 8 planets in the solar system. So universe is made up of galaxies, planets, stars and also includes the world around us. And what is galaxy? Galaxy is group of thousands of stars is called galaxy. And our Earth is the part of the Milky Way galaxy. Which galaxy? Our Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. And there are millions of galaxies in the universe and some of which we don't know about. So not all galaxies are the Milky Way galaxy because we don't know about many of galaxies. Now answer these questions. How was the universe formed? What name has this idea been given? How many galaxies are there in the universe? You know this answer already. How many galaxies are there in the universe? There are millions of galaxies in the universe. And galaxy is a group of thousands of stars. And universe is formed. It is believed. It is imaginary, okay? It is believed that the universe was formed when a big explosion or blast took place, and this blast created a huge fireball like this. And eventually means with the time this fireball cooled down and tiny particles formed the universe with the time. Revise it again. It is believed that a big explosion or blast took place, created a huge fireball. This fireball eventually cooled down and tiny particles formed the universe. And this idea is known as the Big Bang Theory. Now answer these questions. Where does the solar system lie? What are the parts of the solar system? You can answer to your partner. Where does the solar system lie? Solar system lies at the edge or on the sides. Edge means sides of the Milky Way galaxy. And our Earth is the part of the Milky Way galaxy, and solar system lies at the edge of the Milky Way galaxy. And solar system is made up of the 8 planets, and planets has their satellites. So solar system is made of the 8 planets, their satellites or moon, and the sun, and pieces of rock and dust. In this picture you can see moon moves around the earth, and this moon is called satellite. And solar system is made of 8 planets, and planets have their satellites. So planets and their satellites, the sun, pieces of rock and dust. Now next question. How do you think we know about the universe? What do you think? We know about the universe because astronauts have traveled into space in spacecraft to explore it. And explore it means travel to discover about something. And how people knew about the universe when there were no aircraft or astronauts. In earlier time, people knew about universe with the help of telescope and by observing the shape and direction of the sun, moon and stars. In this picture you can see astronaut in the space, and these are some spacecraft. These are vehicles to travel in space, and you need to draw a picture of a rocket going to space in the in your worksheet, so you can take help of these pictures. Okay, these are spacecraft. These help people to travel in space. So this is about the universe. After watching the video, you need to read the universe again after reading, finish your S1. Do PQ1 and 2. And this is your S1. Question 1, write true or false. The universe is made up of thousands of planets in large groups. What do you think? How many planets are there? B, each group of stars is known as the Milky Way. Is it true or false? Each group of stars is known as the Milky Way galaxy. And next, the Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. True or false? The solar system includes the sun, 8 planets, their moons, satellites, and pieces of rock and dust. Next question. If an astronaut traveled in a spaceship around the whole universe to know what it is made of, what would they see? So, as you know, universe is made of. If you will watch the video carefully, then you will be able to answer this question. And question 3. How did people get to know about space even before astronauts went to space? Draw a picture of a rocket going to space in the space below. Here. So, watch the video properly and answer these questions. And please don't skip reading. Read again and again. It will help you to improve your skills. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.